Welcome to the ultimate guide to Arduino, unleashing your creativity with open source electronics. In this video, we will introduce you to the amazing world of Arduino and show you how this open source platform can help you turn your creative ideas into reality. So, let's get started. Arduino is an affordable and user-friendly electronics platform that allows you to build and program your own projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIY enthusiast, Arduino offers endless possibilities for innovation and experimentation. First, let's explore the components of an Arduino board. You have the main microcontroller, which acts as the brain of your project. Then, there are input sensors, such as buttons or motion detectors, to receive information from the outside world. Output devices like LED lights or motors allow you to control and interact with your creations. But what sets Arduino apart is its open-source nature. This means that you have access to a vast online community of makers and developers who share their knowledge and code. With Arduino, you can easily find and modify existing projects or create your own from scratch. One of the key advantages of Arduino is its versatility. Whether you want to build a home automation system, robot, or even an interactive art installation, Arduino can handle it all. Its simplicity and flexibility make it a perfect tool for both prototyping and advanced projects. To program an Arduino board, you don't need extensive coding experience. Arduino uses a beginner-friendly programming language that is easy to learn and understand. You can quickly start coding your projects with just a few lines of code. In summary, Arduino is an incredible platform that unleashes your creative potential with open-source electronics. Its affordability, versatility, and strong community support make it a go-to choice for beginners and professionals alike. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, project ideas, and exciting content. Stay creative and keep exploring with Arduino.